going to be doing a video on switches, where to find silver contacts. We have all kinds of switches here. This video was a request by Roy Mason. He said, what are the, well, I answered that already. Why don't you make a video showing how to take apart switches and removing the silver contacts from them? So we're gonna make your video. You can find silver contacts in all kinds of switches. Some of them might or might not have silver contacts, like this one here. I believe this one doesn't have any, and this one here is probably not gonna have any either. But we'll take apart most of these and show you guys how to get the contacts out. And this one here is not gonna have any silver contacts, I can tell you that right now. So we'll just throw that over there, and this one is not either, so we won't even worry about that. But what contains silver contacts? These little switching boxes here that are on motherboards, like for example on the television boards, you'll have these blue boxes here, and then you'll have this little black one there. You can see that it's pretty dirty. So these have silver contacts in them. Just any electronic board, they'll have some type of little boxes that look like this on them, and you want to take those off. What else here? These are from, I think this one's from a washing machine. And you turn the nozzle there and turn it on. This one I have no idea where it came from, but it's probably from a stove or something. This one is it's a switch as well, you know, on and off. This one's gonna come out of a dishwasher also. This one's more like a little, I guess, a little alarm that goes off. And then you have these on and off switches. Sometimes these have them in there, sometimes they don't. It's just copper. Then you have these little switches here. Oh wait, wrong way. Like it's like say you close the door on the dishwasher, it'll press that and then it'll start the cycle. Here it's just another push button as well. This one's a turn knob. I'm not quite sure if this one's gonna have any in there. Usually the ones that you have to turn won't have them, except if they're from like dishwashers, your washer, your dryer, your what do you call it, dishwasher, your stove, and your refrigerator will have some kind of switch in it. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little closer, and I'll continue the video. Alright, we're going to start off with these two switching boxes here. Best way to get these open, I lost my screwdriver, but oh, here it is. 1 second. It's just, oh no, that's a Phillips. We'll just use this one for now. It's you see in here it has a little knob there where it grabs on. You just poke in there, break it open, and then you just go around taking the plastic off. And if you're just after the silver contacts, you don't have to take all the plastic off, because the contacts are only going to be on one side. So as long as you break the right side open, you should be good. On the other side we'll have a wind of copper there. So then the silver contacts are going to be located on this side. Whoa, well, this one doesn't have any. This is just brass right there. You see that? That's a first. I've never seen one of these. Usually the ones that I get are all silver contacts. So we're just going to throw this with the copper bearing over there and try this blue one, see what's in that one. This one is going to have some. So we'll just clip them off. See them right there. And then you just peel this back, and then you can see, I don't know, you can see that, there you go, see the little silver contacts there. And then those you can just clip them off like that, and we'll start making a little pile over here on the side. Once you get one side open, you just use a screwdriver, pop them open. You know, see, this was what I was expecting from this one. See, it doesn't have any silver on them, it's just copper. This one is just like that other one I showed you, like that one. Those don't have any silver contacts, they just have copper. When you turn it, they touch each other, and there you go. Oh, there we go. We'll just pull these and start falling apart. And you just stick a screwdriver in there. Oh, it all fell off. Alright. Alright, well, good thing we did that, because these have two. See that? So we'll just go ahead and clip that off as well. There's one. Off to the side. And then the other one to the side. And when I clip these off, as you can see, when I put it in the wire cutters, I make sure that I turn it upside down. That way it doesn't fly up in the air and I lose the little piece of silver contact. And so I'll just flip it over like that, put my hand over it, cut it, there you go. Alright, so now we're going to move on to this one here. I zoomed in the camera so much I don't even know where it's at. Alright, so this one, just gonna, you know, boss my way in there, break stuff. Or not. Oh, it's easier than look, just pull that back, and it just all falls apart. And just the plastic throw that away. The other piece that fell was plastic. And this piece here, I think this is, it looked like brass, but it's actually aluminum. Alright, so we have the contact over here. So we're just going to take a screwdriver, pop it out. Oh, there it is over here. That's it, plastic. Alright, so this one's going to have one as well. It's right there. Is this one going to have one? Yep. This one's on this side. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. Clip the ends off. Another one fell on the floor. I didn't cuff it or nothing, so. And this one, we're just going to clip that off as well. And here we go. Put that with the pile. Clean my table off. I guess I can do this one since that other one didn't have any. And we'll move on to the last three. That one came off easy. I just pulled a little bit and just came off. Right, nothing there. This piece, again, cast aluminum. Alright, so this one's gonna have a couple in there, you can see. Yeah, just pull that back. And there it is. Right there. So just go, pull, face it down, throw it with the pile. And this, you can just pull each one of these back and then clip off the endings. What the hell is that, a bug? You just clip off the endings so you don't have to pull every single one of those out. See, look, like that. You pull each one out like that, I guess. Or you can just clip the endings. And once you get to the inner ones, you just use a screwdriver, pop it out, and there's another one. Man. No, wrong way. There's another one in the pile. This one here, I wasn't gonna check it, but I flipped it, and it has one on the other side. See right there? Whoa, not even on the camera. Right there, there's one. And that's it for that one. And here's another little switch one. This one I'm just gonna get some channel locks, crush it. Makes it faster. Should have been doing this from the start. See, it all falls apart. And you just go around looking for whatever looks like silver. Here's one there. You can clip the end off of that one. This one, there's another one there. Clip the end off of that one. That's it. Only two for that one. Alright, let's do this one really quick. This is that little chime, a little bell, a little alarm, I guess. This one has all these little locks and weird stuff. I'm just gonna muscle my way in there with the screwdriver. And you can sell some of these switches. There's people that buy them, especially the ones for like dishwashers. I mean, not dishwashers. What am I talking about? Like the ones for washing machines, dryers. A lot of people will buy them, especially the people that repair them and resell them. They're always looking for cheap parts, so they will buy them from you. I do sell my washing machines and my dryers to a guy that comes, or used to come once in a while, and pick them up. 20 bucks a piece. Hey, it's better than $2 at the scrap yard. And they're gonna buy it for steel price. It's a clock. I didn't even wind it, it just started by itself. Pretty cool. I'm gonna leave it right here and see how long it goes. Alright, so this one has two. One right there, and then the other one's inside. Alright, last one real quick. Right here. This one's, I think, fairly easy. Little locks there. Pop those, break it, whatever. You're not going to reuse it anyways. Here's another one. Alright, I'm just going to pop that open. And here, they're going to be right here. Pull these out. This is plastic. Just get the brass real quick. Look at that, there's a little electric motor in there. Just steel, put that to the side. And these are gonna have some right there. Just clip those off. And make sure you check them all real quick. The brass ain't gonna have any. Isn't gonna have any. There you go. So basically, once you clip them off, you get a bunch of little ones like this. Here you go, here you go. You're gonna get a bunch like that, and you want to save them up. And so I'm just gonna throw them in here. See? And then once you get enough, you can use the aqua reach method to get rid of the other metal. I was trying to find the one that I was processing right now, but I have no idea where I put it. But on the next video, I'll show you guys what happens when you put it in aqua regia. And it's going to be some hydrochloric acid with some peroxide, and I used 2-to-1 ratio on that. I'll show you guys that on the next video. I'll probably do it tomorrow, so you guys can see that, and then I'll show you the end process on the one that I have right now. That way you can see what happens to the other metal that's in it. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I was planning on having another giveaway here soon. I don't know what I'm gonna give away, but it's gonna be something good. I mean, the last giveaway was pretty good, I think. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching again, and I really appreciate you guys' support.